Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block adult websites permanently on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, privacy, security, and of course, Wi-Fi and network settings. Step 2. Now locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type in Private DNS. You'll see options related to your Wi-Fi settings, Bluetooth, and even hotspot configurations. The Private DNS feature can help block ads by using a third-party DNS service. Step 4. From the search results, tap on the option that says Private DNS. Once you're inside, you'll need to tap the option again to confirm that you want to enter the private DNS settings. Step 5. For the last and most important step, under the Private DNS Provider Hostname section, select this option, and then you'll be able to enter a DNS provider's address. In the text box, type family.adguarddns.com. This DNS provider blocks adult websites, ads, trackers, and other harmful content at the network level. It works across all apps and browsers without needing any extra software. Once you've typed it in correctly, don't forget to tap Save. You've now permanently blocked adult websites on your Samsung Galaxy phone. No extra apps, no subscriptions, just a simple DNS tweak. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.